What's up guys? So, rainy Tuesday ngayon. So, come with me and samahan nyo ako. We're gonna do back workout later. So, yun. Kita-kits tayo later. Peace. Later na tayo. So, yun. Late tayo. Kasi maulan. Yun, kita-kits tayo later. What's up guys? So, it's currently 4:30 p.m. So, we're here at St. Louis City. So, because yung work ko. Then, yun. Bili lang tayo ng food natin. Then, balik na tayo sa work. So, mamaya is back day and biceps tayo. So, yun. Kita-kits tayo later. Peace. So yun guys, nakabili na tayo ng ating pagkain. May mimit lang tayo guys. Okay lang, okay lang. What is it guys? So it's currently 9 p.m. So mag-back and bicep workout na tayo. So yun, samahan niyo ako. That's it for today guys. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. So sana magustuhan nyo rin. Sana supportahan nyo pa rin ako sa mga susunod ng video. So yun, we out. Peace.